Max18 here, reviewing the Alteng active noise cancelling headphones with microphone. This headset was actually provided by Alteng, so let's get right into it. So this unit features advanced reverse noise cancelling technology, reducing 85% of unwanted background noise. Noise cancelling special use of 40mm drives, whole piece forming Corona diaphragm, crystal clear high quality sound. These are foldable on-ear and adjustable headband designed for pressure and relieving memory foam cushion, and custom-made patent leather ear pads enable extreme comfort. As you can see, they fold out pretty easily, so there won't be no clicking, no rattling. Inside, the inline remote has a 3.7 volts 120 mAh lithium rechargeable battery. Works more than 20 hours. Dual working mode with or without active noise cancelling. Inline microphone supporting calls, answer, hang up, play and pause. The design is pretty simple and straightforward. It's a plastic built with a slight gloss on it. As you can see, it has some chrome looking, more like a golden bronze looking color accents to it. It has a nice ear cups cushion, and the headband is actually like a leather material and it's pretty soft, so it's probably quite comfortable. It's a nice simple minimalistic design in which it grates perfectly for long travels on car, plane, bus, any kind of trip where you just want to lay back and not hear all the noise around you. It would actually work pretty good. It will not completely drown out the noise, but it does its job and it works perfectly so far. It looks real nice too, so it's pretty nice. As you can see, it comes with a storage bag or case, charger cord, a plane adapter, and it even comes with a PC audio splitter. It would be one for the audio and one for the mic. Sound quality wise, it's pretty good. Without the noise active on, it actually has pretty good bass. With the active noise cancelling on, it kind of lowers the bass, but it still works pretty good. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It fits pretty well on me, and it's quite comfortable. It's not, you barely feel it on your head, so it's quite good. And it's simple. It works. It's comfortable. A good, cheap, affordable way for noise cancelling. Right now it runs for $39.99 on Amazon. I will have the link in the description, so hey, please give them support. It's pretty good.